Barcelona is a city pulsating with life, where striking modernist architecture collides dramatically with a rich medieval history. Las Ramblas is the city's most famous and electric boulevard. This bustling tree-lined street is a main artery and a constant flurry of activity, alive with street performers, flower stalls, cafes, and market vendors. It is the perfect place to people watch and connect to the very pulse of the city. The Sagrada Familia is more than just a church. It's a living, breathing work of art. Designed by Antoni Gaudi, this colossal basilica has been under construction since 1882. Inside, Gaudi's genius is on full display. Towering columns, designed to resemble a forest of trees, branching out to support the intricate ceiling, while rich colored light streams through the stained glass windows, bathing the interior in a mystical glow. If you see a million people lining up to take a photo on a narrow street in the Gothic quarter, you are at the Pont del Bisbe, or the Bishop's Bridge. This is a marble bridge inspired by the Bridge of Sighs in Venice. Dominating this historic area is the striking Gothic-style Barcelona Cathedral with its magnificent vaulted ceiling and stained glass windows spilling soft light onto its walls. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the cathedral's rooftop to get a sense of what the medieval builders experienced. You can walk among the towers, spires, and domes that allow you to find the most iconic landmarks on the Barcelona skyline. Thanks for this small visit to some of the colorful and rich stops on your journey to Barcelona. We are looking forward to seeing you again on Living Places TV.